If you're stuck choosing between QuickBooks and Wave, you're not alone. Both are popular accounting tools, but they're built for very different types of businesses. In the next 2 minutes, I'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, and which one actually fits your needs. So stick around till the end to avoid choosing the wrong platform. When it comes to pure power and depth, QuickBooks is easily the heavyweight. It gives you over 25 customizable financial reports, including income, expenses, cash flow, and more. If you love digging into detailed analytics or need advanced financial insights for decision making, QuickBooks definitely takes the lead. Another big advantage is its built-in payroll integration. You can handle direct deposits, automate pay cycles, and manage flexible payment schedules without juggling multiple tools. Everything flows smoothly inside one ecosystem. QuickBooks also shines with automation, especially for taxes. It can auto-calculate sales tax, track liabilities, and help you prepare for filings. And if you're working with a team, QuickBooks supports up to 25 users, each with their own permission levels. This makes it a strong contender for growing or more complex businesses. But it does have drawbacks. QuickBooks comes with a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners, and large data sets can sometimes cause performance slowdowns. It's powerful, but it demands time and patience. Now, let's talk about Wave, the platform small businesses absolutely love. Why? Because its core accounting features are completely free. If you're on a budget or just starting out, Wave gives you the essentials without locking you into monthly fees. Its mobile receipt scanning is another huge plus. Snap a picture and Wave automatically categorizes the expense for you. Perfect for freelancers and solo entrepreneurs who want to stay organized without extra effort. Wave also includes a clean and easy to use invoice generator with customizable templates and recurring invoice options. It's simple, functional, and beginner friendly. However, Wave does come with limitations, especially if you plan to scale. It lacks advanced reporting, offers fewer integrations, and isn't built for larger or fast-growing teams. Think of it as a great starter tool, not a long-term enterprise solution. So, which one is better if you need depth, automation, team collaboration, and scalability? QuickBooks is the better long-term investment, even if it takes more time to master. But if you're a freelancer, solo business owner, or a small static operation wanting a reliable free option, Wave delivers everything you need without the cost. So that's the full breakdown of QuickBooks versus Wave. Let me know in the comments which one you're thinking of using, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, easy business tool reviews. Thanks for watching.